Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find Stash Donut SMP. First, you'll need to locate the official server. The Java IP is .NET, and for Bedrock, it's .NET with port 19132. Ensure your Minecraft client is updated to version 1.21 or a compatible older version to connect smoothly. Once connected, the real adventure begins. Finding a stash means discovering hidden valuable items or secret bases within the game world. It's a core part of the Donut SMP experience. To start your search, focus on less obvious locations. Many players hide stashes deep underground, far from spawn, or in remote biomes. Keep an eye out for any unusual block patterns or terrain changes that don't look natural. These can often be subtle clues that someone has been building there. Observing recent player activity, like freshly mined areas or partially built structures, can also point you in the right direction. Some servers might even offer in-game commands to help with exploration, so check for those options. For more advanced detection, investigate areas around raided villages or abandoned structures, as players often build stashes nearby. Pay close attention to small details like uncollected loot, placed torches, or even specific block types that don't naturally occur together. Some players use lava flows or specific block patterns to obscure their stashes from detection, so be mindful of these tricks. Engaging with the Donut SMP community on platforms like Discord can also provide valuable insights and shared knowledge on finding hidden bases. When searching for stashes, always prioritize stealth and caution. Other players might be protecting their valuables, so avoid drawing unnecessary attention. It's also wise to secure your own base with robust defenses to prevent others from finding your hidden items. Remember to always respect the server's rules regarding griefing and raiding to ensure a fair and enjoyable experience for everyone. Ultimately, the goal is to enjoy the thrill of discovery and the rewarding challenge of uncovering hidden treasures within the Donut SMP world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.